Welcome back, friends. I am so happy you were able to join me over here in the garden so we can do a little harvest together. Now, the first thing that I want to harvest today is my orange, guys. My orange, my one and only orange. I have been waiting for a very long time to harvest this orange. Oh my gosh. Oh gosh, guys. Look at this. I cannot believe that I actually grew this orange in my garden on this teeny tiny little plant right here. Look at it. It's gigantic. All right. So the orange is in the basket. Let's head down over now in the garden to see what else we have over there to harvest. So guys, for the entire summer, I've been trying to grow okra and was not successful, and now it is fall and I am happy to say I am harvesting my very first red okra from my garden. Oh my gosh. I am so excited right now. And I have some tomatoes over there. Let's go and grab those. All right, now, guys, let's grab these two tomatoes. Oh my gosh. And this one looks as if too much water I've gotten into it. So I got two tomatoes, two beautiful tomatoes, y'all. And I have two ripe jalapenos over here. Oh, I have another one over here. Oh my gosh. I have to go and take a look at that mint down there. My mint is drying up. So here's my three jalapeno peppers. And you know what, guys? I have been saving these cayenne peppers. I actually wanted them to dry on the plant because I am trying to make my own cayenne pepper powder. And I didn't want to take them inside and then they wouldn't dry properly because I have had that experience in the past. I wash them and leave them to dry and they didn't dry properly. So now I have quite a few on this plant. The plant is even looking as if it's dying, but luckily I have another plant that is trying to produce. It's right over there and I can see just one cayenne pepper on it. All right. Okay, so that's it. What else do I need? I think I need some green summer green juice tomorrow. All right, guys. So I am getting some Malabar spinach, and I'm getting the tender leaves. I can blanch these tomorrow to make a salad with some cucumbers, or I can use them in my green smoothie. But you know what I always do? I always pick the more mature leaves to use in the green smoothie. And then the tender ones like this, I can just eat them by themselves, as I said, in a salad or something with some tomatoes. So I am just getting a variety of leaves right now. When I go inside, I will decide what is gonna go where. Because I have so much Malabar spinach, guys. I really don't need to like pick them and freeze them. I don't, because this thing is very, very invasive and it just continues producing for you. Yeah, this is one of the plants that when you plant it one time, you don't have to worry about watering it or do anything to it. You just continue producing for you. All right, so I think This is going to be it. I need to check on the mint, y'all. Oh gosh. Oh my God. Oh Lord have mercy. Uh-uh. This is my fig. The fig looks as if it's not even getting any bigger. All right, guys. So here is my little bounty. I have some spinach, my orange, my cayenne peppers, my jalapeno peppers, my one okra, and some tomatoes. Oh my gosh. Little is much when God is in it. I am extremely happy for this little harvest today. I am so blessed. So, guys, I looked around and I noticed I have a lot of green onions that I can harvest. So I'm getting them now. And I also got a few leaves from my bok choy. Oh Lord, I thank you for this little harvest, God. Thank you. So for those of you who have been watching, if you have not yet started your garden, you can consider doing so by starting it one container at a time. That is if you are going to be doing a container garden. All right. And I'm also advising that you start small, guys. Do not overwhelm yourself when you're starting that garden for the very first time. Don't get carried away. Take your time. Take it nice and easy and slow. All right. So this is going to be added to the harvest right in this basket right here. And there we have it, guys. My harvest for today. Thanks a lot for coming along with me today, guys. I really and truly appreciate you all. So that is it for this video. And I want to use this opportunity to thank each and every one of you that have been consistently supporting the channel. Guys, I really and truly appreciate you. And for my newest subscribers, welcome, welcome, welcome on board. Guys, please do not forget to comment, like, and share the content with family and friends, especially if they love to save money. Oh my gosh. I just remember that I need to go and cut a sugar cane to take to work. So guys, I will catch up with you in the next video, all right? And I also have to water the garden too because it's looking very dry. So thanks again for coming along with me. I will see you soon in another video. Bye-bye.